Olive, the healthy fat for bodybuilders. Are you a bodybuilder looking to build muscle and stay healthy at the same time? If so, then you need to make sure you're eating the right kind of fats. And when it comes to healthy fats, there's one that stands out above the rest: olive oil. Not only is olive oil packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, but it also contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of different dishes. But did you know that you can also use olive oil to make your own DIY body scrub? That's right. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a luxurious scrub that will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and nourished. To make your own olive oil body scrub, you'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, ½ cup of olive oil, ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon of honey. First, mix the sugar and olive oil together in a bowl until it forms a thick paste. Then, add in the vanilla extract and honey, and stir until everything is well combined. To use your new body scrub, simply apply a small amount to damp skin and massage gently in circular motions. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry with a towel. Your skin will be left feeling soft, smooth, and moisturized. So there you have it. Olive oil is not only a healthy fat for bodybuilders, but it can also be used to create a DIY body scrub that will leave your skin looking and feeling amazing. Give it a try and see the results for yourself.